verbal warnings and a free kick to the AMAVUBIs of Rwanda. They're trying to organize themselves. Ange Mutsinzi. Chikazimana. Up front, Togo pushes it back and puts it out of the field of play for throw-in. Throw-in quickly executed onto goalkeeper Kwizera. Kwizera finds Besenge. Besenge with a long drive of the ball up front, which rolls into the waiting hands of Aigba of OTR Football Club of Togo. The Togolese organizing themselves. That's Ajali. Ajali to Bode. The Rwandans come up there, succeed in picking up that one, and referee says it's an infringement advantage. Togo. That one quickly executed by Ismail Agoro. The Togolese with a series of interpositional passes. Amekudi, who plays for Tito Football Club of Lumé. The Rwandans pick up that one. If they succeed in controlling, he turns around and does it beautifully. Prefers to make a chip of the ball backwards. Emwe Besenge. Besenge Mutsinzi. Besenge Rashid Kalisa. Besenge finds Imashimwe. Imashimwe comes up with a run. He chips it over to number 14 shirted player Biringido, who looks like the master planner of the Rwandan side. He was the one who served that beautiful kick onto marksman Tunyesinge, who lost it for his side, who did not exploit it appropriately. Free kick to the Togolese. Sparrowhawks of Togo. A kick of the ball up front, intercepted by the Rwandan defense. The Togolese pick up that loose one. The Rwandans smarter. Besenge over to full defenseman Mutsinzi. Mutsinzi kicks the ball up front. Rwanda picks up that one and crosses. Another opportunity for the Rwandan side. And a good cross of the ball. The Togolese, Agoro, is proving himself to be a pillar in the Togolese defense lineup. The Togolese closing in now on the Rwandan goal area. He kicks and he hits at Rwandan. We deviated. Opportunity now for Rwanda to organize a counter-offensive. This is an exploit.
Mbego bushyuhe n'ibyishimo muri stade z'igihugu twese ko tungana dushyigikiye kipe yacu Amavubi dora abafana ngo barogeza bigatinda kakahava ibiza kubona uko bakunda bahoze ikipe yabo ku mutima. Tinda we batinde we, tinda we batinde we, tinda we batinde, tinda tinda natsinde we tsinda we natsinde we tsinda we natsinde we tsinda we natsinde tsinda tsinda natsinde dori shaka amacenga ubuhanga ikipe yacu iyo bazamutse baruhuka ishundura zinyeganyeze umuzamu n'ab'inyuma abo hagati ab'imbere mu kibuga ntibatinya nta mususu ntibahangarwa tsinda we natsinde we tsinda we natsinde we tsinda we natsinde
ya ntekereza ko aho uri mu gihugu hose cyangwa se hanze y'igihugu iyi ntsinzi igushimishije koko berwa sugira singizwa iteka nk'uko bimeze muri Cameroon haseka neza useka nyuma Amavubi